Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So I still think this is either an expanding flat or a running flat ABC pattern, and this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C of an expanding flat, which an expanding flat would likely go up to one of these two fibs, or possibly a running flat, which a running flat would make a lower high and most likely go at one of these two Fibonacci levels. Either way, should lead to a pretty big uptrend on shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly, I still think this is the wave 1 right here. I think this is a running flat wave 2. I think that we're already in a wave 3 from that point on, so this is like a 1. This is a 2 of wave 3, and this is all just subdivisions of a wave 3, which I think has a lot of upside potential left. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, it just looks like the end of a crescent, doesn't it? It looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down. It looks like a nice Fibonacci bounce. Nice engulfing move to the upside. We got a nice break of structure on shorter time frames. Looks like exactly what I would be looking for a possible end of a crescent and possibly the continuation of the uptrend. All subdivisions of this wave 3 of either an expanding or a running flat wave C. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we got this big ABC correction here. I mean, it definitely looks like impulsive downtrend, looks like corrective up, impulsive downtrend. It looks exactly like what we'd be looking for the end of a correction. So I would be looking for longs right now. This right here does look like a trend. So I would expect that at some point it probably would make a little bit of a bigger pullback. But the trade that I would definitely be focused on is trying to go long potentially at the end of this wave 2. Or maybe if it really is going to make a double 3 pattern like an A, a B, and then a C, either way, at the end of this wave 2 or the end of this wave B, I think would be the next best trade to try to get long for the continuation of the uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, it definitely has that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, just because you see 5 waves does not mean that it needs to go down and make a bigger, more bigger correction, like a correction to the whole move up. I mean, this thing could easily just keep on going up, especially with all the big news we got this week. But if it does go down and do something like this, that would be great news for us, because if it makes 3 waves down to a Fibonacci level, makes a nice engulfing move up, that would be either the end of a wave B or the end of a wave 2, and that would make for a really nice entry to go long. This would either be a wave A or a wave 1. If this really is the end of a crescent down here, then it definitely would be a wave 1, a wave 2, and then eventually go up for that wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.